In this video, I'm going to show you how an end user can use the whiteboard functionality in an MTR system. MTR stands for Microsoft Teams Room System, and here we have a MTR system. In the background we have the touch display that's usually on the table, and in the bottom right corner we have the screen that will show up as the whiteboard screen on the wall in the room. I have here on the screen a meeting that I have prepared that I will join. The meeting is between my computer and the MTR system, so 2 participants. So I'll press the join button, switch to my computer, and on my computer then I will get the join pop-up because someone has started a meeting that I have accepted. I could press here or the join button on the meeting itself. So I just press join, and I join now. So I'm now in the meeting. One thing about MTR systems and whiteboard is that we have to start the whiteboard from the computer. We cannot start a whiteboard from the MTR system itself. So I press the button up here, open share tray. This is the same button I use to share my screen or a program on my computer. When I do this, I get this whiteboard here. If I don't have it, I may have to install the whiteboard from the Microsoft Store or ask an administrator to do that for us. So I press Microsoft Whiteboard, and the whiteboard has been started. If I pick a pen here, for example a black one here, I can write something or draw something. If I then switch to the MTR system, I can see that what I drew on my computer is on the screen here too. I can then continue here, choose the green pen for example, and can draw something. I can also erase something that I did or someone else did. The eraser works like this, that when I erase something, I erase the entire line. So if I press the black line here, the entire line is erased. I can then draw something else with a black pen. If I go back to my computer now, I can see that what I've done is reflected there. If I then stop presenting on the computer and I go back to my meeting and the meeting continues, we present something, we probably discuss something, and I want to have a look at the whiteboard again, I just press the share button again and whiteboard. And what I did before will still be here. So I don't get a new whiteboard every time, but I get the same whiteboard. So after the meeting has ended and I press the leave button and everyone has disconnected, if I then after the meeting wanted to review what we did in the meeting, I can go to the chat button on the Teams client. If we wrote anything here, like test message here that I wrote before, then that will be visible here. Also, we have files, meeting notes, and in my case here, one more. That's the whiteboard. So I can go back and have a look at the whiteboard and what we did there. So this is a ordinary whiteboard in the whiteboard app. It just happened to be in the Teams client right now. I can open in an app, and then I can get the full experience of the app in the Windows full screen and do whatever I want. I hope this helps someone, and if you like this video, you're welcome to subscribe to this channel.